Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Wix for building your freelance website, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Wix website at www.wix.com. If you don't already have an account, click on the Get Started button to create one. Fill in your email and a password, or sign up using your Google or Facebook account. Once logged in, click on the Create New Site button. Wix will prompt you to answer a few questions about your website. Choose Portfolio and CV or the option that best fits your freelance work. Next, Wix will offer two options, Wix ADI or the Wix Editor. Select Wix ADI for an automated setup, or Wix Editor for full customization. If you choose Wix ADI, follow the prompts to input your site details. Wix ADI will generate a website template based on your answers. If you select the Wix Editor, you will begin with a blank canvas. Explore the various templates provided, tailored for freelancers. Choose a template that resonates with your style and click Edit. Using the editor, you can customize text, images, and layout. Click on any section to edit its content. To add a new section, click the Add button on the left panel. Wix allows you to insert various elements like text boxes, galleries, and contact forms. For your portfolio, consider adding a gallery to showcase your work. Upload images by clicking on the Gallery section, then change images. Wix provides stock images, or you can upload your own. Customize the fonts and colors by accessing the Design tab. Make sure your site style aligns with your personal brand. Once satisfied with the design, click on the Publish button. You'll be prompted to choose a domain name for your site. Select a free Wix domain or connect a custom domain if you have one. After publishing, view your site to ensure everything looks appealing. To enhance functionality, navigate to the Apps section. Here, you can add features like a booking system or a blog. Utilize the SEO tools to optimize your site for search engines. Fill out meta descriptions and keywords relevant to your services. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.